Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to clear web cache on Picsart, and now let's dive right in. Now to clear web cache on your Picsart app, first open up your Picsart app on your phone, and after opening your Picsart app, you land over here, which is the home interface of Picsart. And on this interface, at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of icons. At the bottom right corner, there is a person or a profile link available for us. Tap on the person or the profile link available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. And when you land over here, this kind of interface will appear, and at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tree-lined icon available for us. On this interface, tap on the tree-lined icon at the top right corner of the screen, and over here tap on the settings button. Over here you can see at the below side of the screen, just above the logout, there is the settings button. Tap on the settings, and over here if you scroll down a little bit, you can see guys, there is the web cache and the clear web cache button over here under the category of content. Tap on clear web cache over here and tap on this, and after that your web cache on your Picsart app will be cleared out. And with that being said guys, this is how to clear web cache on Picsart. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.